Welcome to Real Life English. Today's video is about ordering food at a fast food restaurant. You will learn useful English for eating at McDonald's. Let's get started.
I'm so tired. We've been walking around all morning.
Me too. My feet are killing me. That means my feet hurt a lot from all this walking.
Same here. And I'm starving. Do you want to stop and eat something?
Yes, please. I need a break. What are you thinking?
I don't know. Something quick and easy would be nice. We still have a lot of shopping to do.
Look, there's a McDonald's right there, just across the street. Let's just grab something quick.
That sounds perfect. It's fast, and I really don't want to wait a long time for food.
Same here. Plus, it's air-conditioned inside. We can sit down and rest for a bit too.
Oh, that's true. It's so hot outside today. A little air conditioning sounds amazing right now.
Come on, let's go inside before it gets even busier.
Great. My feet will thank you later.
Mine too. I can already smell the fries from here.
Me too. Let's hurry up.
Okay, let's check the menu first. What are you in the mood for?
I'm not sure yet. I think I want something simple, maybe just a burger. I'm not that hungry, actually.
There are a few combo meals up there. A combo usually comes with a burger, fries, and a drink, all for one price.
Oh, that's a good idea. It's probably cheaper than ordering everything separately.
Exactly. Look, this one is called the classic meal. It comes with a cheeseburger, medium fries, and a drink.
That sounds good to me. Simple and filling. What about you? What comes with the deluxe meal?
It looks like it comes with a bigger burger and a larger drink. I think I'll get that one. I'm really hungry.
I can tell. You've been talking about food for the last 20 minutes.
Guilty. Oh, look, they also have apple pies for dessert. Maybe we should get one to share.
That's a nice idea. We can decide after we finish our meal. I don't want to order too much food now.
Fair enough. Okay, I think we know what we want now.
Yes, let's go order before the line gets longer.
Hi there.
Welcome to McDonald's. What can I get for you today?
Can I get a classic meal and a deluxe meal, please?
Sure, and what size would you like for the deluxe meal? Medium or large?
Large, please. I'm quite hungry today.
Got it. What drinks would you like with your meals?
I'll have a Coke, and my friend would like a lemonade.
No problem. Would you like any sauce with your fries, like ketchup or mayo?
Just ketchup is fine, thank you.
Perfect. Would you like to try our apple pie today? It's on special this week.
Actually, we might get one later. Can we decide after we order?
Of course. That's no problem at all. For here or to go?
For here, please. We're going to eat inside and rest for a while.
Great choice. That's everything then.
Yes, that's all for now, thank you.
Before I finish your order, is there anything you'd like to change?
Actually, yes. Could you leave out the pickles on my burger? I don't really like them.
Of course. No pickles on your burger. Anything else?
Could I get extra cheese on that too? I really love cheese.
Sure, I can add that for you, though there might be a small extra charge for that.
That's fine, no problem. Oh, and could my friend get her burger with no onions, please? She's not a big fan of onions.
No problem at all. No onions on her burger. Would you like to make your drink a large as well?
Actually, yes. Can we upsize both drinks? That means making the drinks a bigger size.
Sure, I can do that. Your total will be a little higher, but it's still a good deal.
That's fine with us, thank you. Oh, and can I also add a small order of nuggets? I just remembered I wanted to try them.
Of course. That comes with a choice of sauce. Would you like barbecue, sweet and sour, or honey mustard?
Barbecue sauce, please. That's my favorite.
Great choice. I'll add that to your order right away. All right. Your total comes to $14.30. How would you like to pay?
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course. Just tap or insert your card here.
Here you go.
Great. That went through. Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please. Could I have a receipt?
Here you go. Your order number is 47. We'll call your number when it's ready.
Thank you so much. About how long will it take?
It shouldn't be more than 5 minutes. We're not too busy right now.
That's great to hear. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great meal.
Let's find a seat while we wait.
Let's grab that table by the window. It looks nice and quiet over there.
Good idea. I like sitting near the window. We can watch people outside while we eat.
Me too. So, how long do you think we'll have to wait?
The cashier said about 5 minutes. This place is usually pretty fast.
That's good. I really can't wait to eat. I'm so hungry now. Can you grab some napkins while we wait?
Sure, I saw a napkin stand near the counter. I'll get some, and maybe a few extra straws too.
Thanks. Oh, and could you check if they have any ketchup packets over there? We might need more for the nuggets.
Good thinking. I'll grab a few extra just in case. This place is pretty packed today. That means it's really crowded and busy.
Yeah, but at least we found a table. We can just kill some time until our number is called.
Good idea. Let me charge my phone for a bit. It's almost dead.
Go ahead. I'll just people watch out the window.
Hang in there. It shouldn't be much longer now.
I'm not in a rush. It's actually nice just sitting down for a while.
Order number 47. Your order is ready. Oh, that's us. I'll go get it.
Great. I'll stay here and save our seats and get everything organized on the table.
Here we go. One classic meal for you, one deluxe meal for me, and the small order of nuggets to share.
Oh, wow. This already makes my mouth water. It smells amazing.
Right? I could smell it the second I picked up the tray.
Okay, let's not wait any longer. Let's dig in.
It really does. I've been thinking about this burger since we started walking this morning.
Ha, same here. Let's eat before it gets cold.
Good idea. Try a nugget first. They're really good with the barbecue sauce.
Oh, wow, you're right. This is so good. Honestly, this is to die for.
I agree. The fries are really good too. Nice and crispy.
I could eat this every single day, honestly.
Me too, but maybe that's not the healthiest idea.
True. Still, nothing beats a good burger after a long morning of walking.
Exactly. This really hit the spot.
It's kind of a guilty pleasure, but today we earned it.
So, should we still get that apple pie for dessert?
Definitely. Let's share one. I've been thinking about it since the menu.
Good call. It's warm on the outside and soft on the inside. It's really nice with the crispy crust.
You're right. This is the perfect way to finish the meal.
Do you think we should save the rest for later? We could ask for a to-go box.
Good idea. We probably won't finish it all now anyway.
Definitely. I feel so much better now. My legs are ready to walk again.
Mine too. This lunch was totally worth every penny.
Agreed. I feel like I really recharged my batteries.
Same here. I'm feeling raring to go for the rest of our shopping.
Sounds good to me. This was a great lunch break.
It really was. Now let's go finish our shopping.
Great job! Today, you learned useful English for ordering food at a fast food restaurant. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe for more real-life English conversations. See you next time.